Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your screens during a Webex meeting using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Webex app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, make sure you are already in the meeting where you want to share your screen. If you haven't joined yet, just tap Join Meeting and enter the meeting details. If you are the host, tap Start Meeting. Once you are in the meeting, tap the three dots or more options button at the bottom of the screen, then select Share Content or Share Screen from the menu. Your iPhone may ask you to enable screen recording for Webex. Tap Start Broadcast to allow Webex to share your screen. After a short cut down, your screen will be visible to everyone in the meeting. Now you can switch to any app, document or file you want to share. Everything on your screen will be visible to other participants in real time. When you are done, go back to the Webex app and tap Stop Sharing. This will end the broadcast and return the meeting to normal. And that's it. That's how you share your screen in a Webex meeting on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.